Hello and welcome to Parallax Scrolling for Web Design. My name is Craig Campbell and I will be your instructor for this course. Now throughout this course we're going to learn about what parallax scrolling is, and then we're going to work through a couple of projects to help us to learn how to do it. Now the projects we're going to create for this video series rely heavily on HTML, CSS, and jQuery. So if you've never used these technologies before, I would highly suggest finding some introductory material, especially CSS and jQuery. It's important that you at least understand how jQuery is put together, how to reference elements with certain class names and ID names and things like that. It's important to understand how jQuery works, or it's going to be really hard to follow along here. So again, if you've never used CSS or jQuery before, I highly suggest finding some introductory material and getting familiar with those technologies before you move forward with this series. You might still be able to follow along and just copy the code that I'm typing in, but it'll be much more beneficial to you if you have an understanding of how all of that works together. But if you are ready to move forward, then in the next video, we're going to start talking about what parallax scrolling is, and we'll show you a few examples online to really illustrate what it is and how effective it can be. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.